Welcome back to our tutorial series on using Podgenie. Today, I'll show you how to upscale your designs to 4K for free, perfect for high-quality printing. In the last video, we used Podgenie to create custom designs. Now let's learn how to upscale those designs for the best print quality. Upscaler is a free AI-powered tool that helps you upscale images to 4K resolution with just a few simple steps. It's a great solution for those who don't want to invest in expensive software. Visit the website, open your browser, and go to IMG Upscaler. Choose your image. Click on the Choose Images button and select the image you want to upscale from your computer. You can also drag and drop the image into the marked area. Select the scaling ratio. Under the image selection area, choose the scaling ratio. For example, select 400% to upscale the image to 4K resolution. Start processing. Click Upload and Start to initiate the AI upscaling process. Download your image. Once the processing is complete, a download link will appear. Click Download to save the upscaled 4K image to your device. Upscaling your designs ensures sharper, more professional-looking products that meet customer expectations for large print formats. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to stay updated with more valuable tutorials. See you in the next video.